Welcome back to our channel ERPZEN, your trusted space for mastering Oracle Fusion Finance. In today's session, we will dive into creating hierarchies for company value sets, a crucial step for structuring financial reporting and ensuring compliance across all the entities. Whether you are a beginner or brushing up your skills, this walkthrough will simplify the process and give you the clarity you need to implement it confidently. So let's get started. So, account hierarchies is a place where we define parent and child relationships. And if summary flag is Y, we have enabled it for parent value. And if summary flag is N, we made it for child value. Tree is a place where we have to store the tree version. So, when there are changes in hierarchy, we will not continue with the same version. We cannot have multiple versions active at the same time, and tree is a subset of multiple tree versions. So now let's go into the instance. Click on your username, click on setup and maintenance. Now search for the task called manage account hierarchies. Manage account hierarchies. So before going into that, yeah. So these are all the steps. You have to define a tree. You have to create tree versions, perform row flattening, perform column flattening, perform online audit, and finally, you have to publish the account hierarchies. Account hierarchies. Now, go into the instance. Now, click on actions and click on create a tree. Now, we will say ERPZEN company tree. Code XX underscore ERPZEN underscore COM underscore tree. Now, let's select the tree version. Accounting flex field hierarchy. How do you determine this is the accounting flex field hierarchy? If you go into the task, click on your username, click on setup and maintenance. Now, search for the task called manage chart of accounts structure. Click on manage chart of account structures. Now, if you hit search, then it is saying accounting flex field. So, under this, we will define the trade description and give your company value set code. What is our company value set code? Click on done. Click on manage chart of accounts value set values. XX underscore ERPZEN company. Copy this code. XX underscore ERPZEN underscore company. Copy that code and as you can see, account flex field hierarchy. So define the give description. Say company HIERARCHO hierarchy. Now, if you see here, there are two nodes. Here, you have to copy your value set code. In the same way, for parent values, you have to copy your company value set code. That means for child values, if the summary flag is n, take from this value set. And the same thing goes with the parent as well. That means all the values which are in this value set, and if the summary flag is y, they are set to parent values. Click on save. Save. Click on next. Click on next. Click on submit button. Now you have created your tree. Now search for your tree xx underscore ERPZEN. Select your tree. Click on actions. Click on create tree version. Click on it. Now here give the name ERPZEN version 1. Here ERPZEN company hierarchy version 1. Give the effective start date. I'll take this from 2000 Jan 1st. Click on next. See, now a tree version has been created successfully. Click on OK to do node operations. Click on OK. After creating the blank tree version, create parent and child relationships. Click on add icon. Here, if you see, what is the top value? What is the top value? From here, from data source, go to accounting flex field hierarchy parent values. So here, the top level is ERPZEN group. Select it and click on move selected items and click on OK. Now, under this, we have France and USA. Select this record, click on add, detailed values, sorry, parent values. Select these two, select France, select USA. Click on OK. Now if you see expand, we have added France and USA. Now under France, we are having two child values. Click on France, select France record, click on add. Now select data source as accounting flex field hierarchies detailed values. Now select Paris and Lyon. Hit OK. Now you can see under France there are two child values. Here accounting flex field hierarchy detailed values and Lyon accounting flex field hierarchy detailed values. Now under USA also we are having two child values. Select USA record. Now click on add. Now select Texas and Connecticut. Click on OK. Now if you expand, now you can see Texas and Connecticut. Now click on submit. Now if you see our tree version has been created successfully. Click on OK. If you click on expand, you can see our tree version. And since it is in draft, since we are drafting, the status is set to draft. The status is set to draft. Now you have to select this record and click on actions, do flattening, first column flattening, do online flattening. Flattening completed successfully. Click on OK. Column flattening completed successfully. Click on OK. Click on done. Now do row flattening. Select your record. Click on actions. Click on flatten. Now row flatten. Click on online flattening. Row flattening is also completed successfully. Now click on OK. Click on done. Now to do audit, select the tree version. Click on actions. Click on audit. Now select this checkbox. Set tree version status to active. After audit is successfully complete. Flag this, check this flag and click on online audit. After successful of audit, the tree version is automatically set to active status. Now you can see audit has successfully completed. Hit OK button. Now, if there are any exceptions or errors, you can see the same in corrective action section. The tree versions which we have defined that should be made available for reporting. In order to do that, you have to publish. Now click on done. Now you can see the status is set to active. Now click on done. Now you have to go to the task publish account hierarchies. Go to the task publish account hierarchies. When you publish, system will create dimensions for your segments with the hierarchy details that we have defined. Now select your structure instance and click on search. ERPZEN COA structure instance. Click on search. Now here expand it. Now here you can see our tree structure version 1. Now enable this flag called publish. Now click on publish. Now system has submitted this process. The same you can review it in scheduled process 11864552. Hit OK. Now click on navigator, go to tools, scheduled process. Now search your process ID. Hit on search. Hit on search. Now you can see it is successfully completed. After publishing is successfully completed, system is going to create dimensions for your segments in S-base cubes, and these S-base cubes are used for reporting purpose. In that S-base, whatever parent and child values that are defined, those are made available for reporting. Click on home. That's how you can set up hierarchies for company values in Oracle Fusion, and not only for company values, for all the remaining, all the dimensions and segments, you have to follow the same process. With the right structure, your reporting becomes more accurate, streamlined and compliant. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more practical Oracle Fusion insights. Join our community on Telegram to keep learning and growing together. Until next time, keep exploring and keep building smarter workflows. Thank you. See you all in the next video.